Hi guys, this video is from when we were in Chicago and we kind of did like a little Valentine's date night, and we made up the hotel room and we put rose petals around and balloons. We wanted to DIY it for ourselves just for fun and to make a video, and yeah, so we're gonna take you along with the process of doing it and how we did it. And yeah, we did it in an unknown city. We'd never been to Chicago before, so it was kind of fun. And yeah, do you have anything to say for yourself?
I don't know. You just went on and on so quick. I couldn't even get a word in. I mean, yeah, it was a lot of fun. We got to explore their grocery stores and, you know, find supplies.
Yeah, it was fun. We're back home now and we're balancing on our couch because there's a bright light right here in the corner. So that's why we're wobbling. Okay, but here we are. Here's the video. Okay, so we're at this place called Fannie Mae, and it's a local chocolate place here in Chicago, and we're just gonna go in there and get some boxes of chocolates for our little Aesthetic Valentine's Day photo shoot setup. So we're just gonna show you around and get some boxes of chocolate.
Yay!
The Fannie Mae chocolate store was so cute. They had all of their Valentine's Day chocolates. They had so many different flavors of chocolates. They even had chocolate covered strawberries, coffee, and just so many options. They gave us free samples. The employees were so nice, and we ended up getting 2 little small boxes of chocolates, and the chocolates were so delicious. We got 2 different boxes. One is assorted, and then this one just has strawberry chocolates. We had the maids come, and our bed is made. And then this is my teddy bear from Build-A-Bear. And I think I'm just gonna put the chocolates right here at the foot of the bed. And then later, we are going to go and get balloons and roses, and we're gonna spread them around the room. We basically had the goal of getting balloons, rose petals, a box of chocolates, and if we saw anything else that caught our eye, then we'd potentially grab it, but those were the 3 main things that we were out to get. We ended up going to this local grocery store, and they had it decorated so cute, and they were making fresh dipped strawberries, fresh cookies. It was so adorable, and it smelled amazing in there, and they were so helpful to us. So we're back in our room with the balloons. And we're opening up the windows to get some lighting. And then I have our pajamas set out right here. So we have to get changed and get everything arranged. We got extra balloons to blow up too, to just like place on the bed. We also got these loose rose petals.
Is this big enough?
Yeah. To place on the bed. We're gonna spell the word love. Or try to. So. Yeah.
Starting is the hardest part of it.
I'm not good at blowing up balloons.
You gotta stretch it first.
You do?
I think so. Or I can just you can take this one and stretch.
Whoa, what is that? Oh. I can't blow balloons very well. Okay.
Yeah, see, I knew you wouldn't be able to start it. I can do it. It took me about 3 breaths.
Makes me dizzy.
Darn. I'm not good at tying balloons. Are you good at tying balloons?
Yeah.
Then I can just give it to him.
Okay.
3. 3 good balloon blows.
Okay, we'll see you when we are dressed. Wait, oh.
Ow, cramp. I got cramp doing that.
Oh, yeah, be careful. Maybe you got kind of nervous.
Ow.
Are you okay?
Yeah. It just cramped my back for some reason.
Yeah, because it's like taking a lot of breath strength. Okay, take a break. Okay, we will see you when we are dressed and ready. Once we got everything set up and looking pretty, we started to take pictures. So this is kind of just a time lapse of us taking pictures and throwing the rose petals and eating chocolate and just kind of getting into the Valentine's Day spirit. I totally recommend doing something fun like this, even just with your friends. Like if you're a girl and you want to do it with like your galentines, just have like a girls' night. I would totally recommend it. It's so fun to kind of have like a little setup. Maybe look up on Pinterest what your inspiration is, and yeah, it was so fun for us and we got some really cute pictures out of it too. We just finished taking pictures and I don't think I ever really...
You should probably restart that.
No, it's fine. I don't think I ever really updated y'all on how it looked, but I took some videos.
Yeah.
But yeah, it looked really good, but we kind of destroyed the flower petals because we were throwing them around and rolling in them and stuff.
I'm hoping the hotel can get out these rose stains.
Yeah, there's a few stains.
They're everywhere.
Yeah, like I don't even...
Look at that one.
Oh no. We need to try to get these out.
But I feel like hotels sometimes do this for you. Like, they put the flower petals on the bed.
Yeah, sometimes,
so I feel like
sometimes
they
hotels
have to be easy
do
stains to
this
get out.
for you. So I feel like it might be okay. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know if this hotel does this or not. We just did it on our own. But yeah, hopefully it's okay. But yeah, it turned out really well, and we got some good pictures and stuff. Yeah, I was wondering what we should do with these balloons. I joked, I was like, should we try to take these on the airplane tomorrow? But
wouldn't they deflate? Or pop? Because
yeah,
things get pressurized or like less
yeah, I don't want to take them on the airplane, but I was just joking.
We're gonna bring them to the pizza place and give them to someone as a gift.
Oh yeah. We could give them to like a little kid.
That's true.
We're just making a giant pile of all these flower petals. The sunset looks kind of pretty right now. Or it's not really sunset, I don't know. It's like almost sunset. Here are some of the pictures that we ended up taking. I think they turned out super cute. It's fun to throw rose petals at each other and eat chocolates and get some cute pics out of it. So yeah, hope you liked the fun little video and talk to you later. Bye!